numerical which is having curved wall. Up to slab we have calculated in the last class. Today we need to calculate for plaster. That can be done by considering each room dimensions. Number can be written as 1. Room 1 dimensions are 3.6 by 3 meter. The internal dimension is of 3.6 into 2 plus 3 into 2. 13.2 internal dimension. That can be written as 3 into 2 plus 3.6 into 2. That will be 13.2. Breadth we are not writing at all, and height is of 3 meter. Therefore, quantity of plaster will be for room 1 9.60 square meter. Thus all values are in terms of square meter. Okay. Next, for room 2, number will be 1. The dimension of room 2 is same as room 1, so that length remains same, 13.2, and height remains same, that is 3 meter. And next, room number 3, number is 1. Length can be written as horizontal length is 3.6 meter and the side walls are of 2.4. Therefore, we can write 3.6 plus 2.4 into 2 plus curved wall internal dimension you have to find out, that is pi r. R value is 1.8 over here. 5.66 will be the length. Internal radius is given 1.8. Calculate perimeter, internal perimeter for half circle. 14.0406. Height is of 3 meter. If you are getting different answer, you can post. 6 by this length will be 14.05. 42.15. Okay. Next is of the backside wall. I can consider that is end to end. It is external plaster. Now internal plaster, all 3 rooms are over. Next is of external plaster. The backside room length is 8.1 meter. That can be written as 8.1 meter as it is for backside wall. That is one number. 8.1 is length. Breadth we are not going to consider. And height will be how much? Height will be how much? Any answers? And then we have posted the height. That is 3.4. Why? Because we are having 0.4 meter plinth. That is below plinth level outside. Therefore, it will be of 0.4. 3 plus 0.4 will be of 3.4. Okay. That can be written. Next, front side wall I can consider as 1. Length of front side can be written as internal dimension of this one is given as 3.6. That is given as 3.6, this wall. If you are calculating end to this end, that will be of 3.6 plus 1 wall thickness only, because this side is only internal. Wall you have to consider for separate. Okay. This will be of 3.6 plus 1 wall thickness, 3.9. That can be written as length as 3.9 and height is 3.4. Why? Because from a plinth level this wall will be of up to slab, this wall. But below plinth level, up to ground level, this will be there. Steps is there, na? There also plastering will be there. Therefore, you can consider total as 3.4 only. Okay, that can be written. And next, side wall. The side wall I'll consider for left, and next I can consider for side wall for right. One number both. For left, what will be the length? That is 3 meter plus both the side. One wall thickness, that will be 3.6. And up to this wall, if you are considering, that is already given, that is 6 meter. Okay, total you can consider, that is of 6 meter. Why? Because this side below plinth level will be there, and this side above plinth level will be there. This wall will be above plinth level, and this wall will be below plinth level. This will be same as this one. Only total length you can consider, that will be of 6 meter. That is of 6 meter is directly given, and height is 3.4. Similarly, the right side wall you can consider, that is of this wall, this end to this end. That is also same as this length, that is 6 meter. So you can write 6 meter, 3.4 meter height. This is done with the all surroundings excluding arc wall. Okay. Arc wall external length can be calculated as 1. Length can be calculated as how much? That is of external wall length. Internal you have calculated by considering radius as 1.8. Now external you have to calculate, that will be 1.8 plus 0.3. That will be 2.1. 1.8 plus 0.3 is of 2.1. Therefore, length can be written as 6.597, or you can write 6.7. Okay. 6.7, and height will be 3.4. Any other answers? Pi 9, okay. Pi 9 can be written as 6. Okay. Now total quantity of plaster can be calculated. That is of summation of all. 225.39 square meter will be the area. Next, you have to do the deductions. That is for door of D variety. Next is of any other components, that is windows. Window is of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 windows of W variety and 3 windows of D variety. And window of variety W1 is of 1 number. Okay. Any other components which have to be deducted? Doors, 3 doors are there, 6 sides. Dimension of door is 1.2 by 2.1, which will be lying between 0.5 to 3 meter square. Therefore, you can write 6 divided by 2, that will be a 3 number. 1.2 by 2.1. Length will be of 1.2 and 2.1 is height. Next, windows are of 5 number. Dimension is 1.2 by 1.35. and W1 window is of 3 meter long and 1.35 meter height.
Complete deduction नहीं होगा।
Okay. W1 is 3 by 1.35. What will be the value? 3 by 1.35. How much?
4.05.
It is 4.05, which means full reduction you have to consider. Mean both the side you have to consider. Number will be 2 over here. Both the sides, internal sides as well as external side. Full reduction you have to consider. Therefore, it will be of 2 number. Good. This observation should be there. Therefore, your net quantity will be 201.63. The condition of plaster reduction is if the area is between 0.5 to 3 meter square, then only you have to consider half. Otherwise, if it is more than 3 meter square, you have to consider full reduction.